Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon Seller University. Let's dive in. If you are following along from my screen, I'm going to show you how to access Amazon Seller University through the Help section in Seller Central. Start by logging into your Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Help section. Click on it to expand the menu. From there, select Get Help and Resources. This will take you to a page with various support options. Now, look for the Seller University link on this page and click on it. This will bring you to Seller University, which is packed with useful training videos and resources. Seller University offers a wide range of tutorials and guides covering everything from setting up your account to advanced selling techniques. You can browse by category or use the search bar to find specific topics. Explore these resources to get tips and best practices for managing your Amazon business effectively. Whether you're new to selling or looking to refine your strategies, Seller University has valuable content to help you succeed. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.